Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check recent sign-in activity for Microsoft account unusual sign-in to Hotmail account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way is open up outlook.live.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, you want to click onto your account and navigate to My Microsoft account. Now choose your account and sign back in if you need to do so. Then from here, we're going to be taken to your account page. Now, this is where the magic happens. So once you're inside of here, on the left-hand side, we've got different tabs. Go ahead and click onto the security tab here. Now from here, under account, it's going to say view my sign-in activity. So go ahead and click into that and you're going to see all your recent sign-in activity and location as well. So you're going to see the date and time, the location, approximate based on IP, device browser used, status, successful and also unsuccessful attempts. So if you're worried about people who are trying to sign into your Hotmail Outlook, you're going to view that there. Now, if you notice something unusual, so unknown location device, click this wasn't me to secure your account. And now if you are having issues there, what I suggest is click onto privacy tab and then click on the start privacy checkup, and that's going to go ahead and review your account safety settings to strengthen your online security.